If you guys have been watching my videos, then you already must be having an idea as to what I think about the 5G future in our country. To be honest guys, I don't think so that 5G is coming anytime soon because there's no release timeline. But a recent development happened and I have got some good news by the way. So Airtel did this 5G test in Hyderabad recently, and after that I feel that things are about to change. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Rashid, you're watching Mr. Phone, and I'm excited to tell you that Airtel, being the market leader in the telecom space, has started work on 5G in India. Now of course I'll be giving you all the details about Airtel and the company's 5G mission in this video, but before we get started, please take a moment and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Okay, so earlier this year, Airtel did some flexing because they can. So the company did this 5G demo on a commercial network, and what you're about to see right now, I mean, the internet speeds that a phone could achieve, mind you, on a mobile network is something truly remarkable. First, see how fast the Reno 5 Pro is able to download COD mobile on the Airtel 5G network, and by the way, the size of the game is about 2 GB on Google Play. So watch this. As you just saw, the Reno 5 Pro was able to download COD mobile in just about 90 seconds. Truth be told, you can only see this kind of a performance only if you have a truly high-speed Wi-Fi connection. But over here, everything was done on a 5G smartphone with an Airtel 5G connection, of course. So do you guys want to see what kind of internet speeds these Airtel folks were able to achieve during this demo? Well, watch this. So there you have it guys, you just saw the speed test results, and after this I only have to say one thing, that a mobile network being able to hit about 350 Mbps in internet speeds is truly spectacular. I mean, this is totally crazy. My 4G network, I mean, it's barely able to hit the 35 Mbps mark, and this 5G was able to hit about 350 Mbps, which is just mind-boggling. Now, Airtel carried out the 5G demos over its existing liberalized spectrum of 1800 MHz band through the non-standalone network, and what's more interesting is that Airtel carried out these 5G tests using one-of-a-kind dynamic spectrum sharing, which means Airtel seamlessly operated both 5G and 4G at the same time within the same spectrum block. So with 5G right on the horizon, we can only imagine how amazing it would be to have such high internet speeds. I mean, we can expect to have increased download and upload speeds. Cloud gaming can become a thing on the go. You can also expect developments in IoT, telemedicines, and overall an uninterrupted high-speed internet connection on the move. The possibilities are endless. Now of course this was just a demo, so I can't comment on the consumer release, nor do I have a release date, but what you and me can hope is that this is a step in the right direction, and now 5G isn't as far-fetched as it seemed to be. All in all, seeing Airtel's track record in bringing the latest in the telecom sector, we can just keep our fingers crossed and hope that 5G isn't that far away. And that's all for now. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and do share this with others. As always, thanks for watching, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. See you guys in the next one.